Online sa hotline.
Agot sini nga balita, and of course for public advisory and preparation of the for Negros Occidental, joining us over the phone no less than Governor Eugenio Bong Lacson. Gov, mabagyuhon nga morning sa imo, kumusta Gov?
Pamati, mayong aga din sinutanan. Yes, we have been preparing for Typhoon Odette, which expected karon sa hapon up to early morning, no? Masunod din sa aton sa Negros Occidental. And unfortunately, though, direct hit ka, no? Most likely, ari din sa may 4th district, no? Sa Central Negros ang direct ruta niya. But all over the province, we will expect winds and rainfall. No, they also estimated that there will be more rain than Typhoon Sendong. No, so that's why we have to be that's why alert. So nagita na ng mga responders mga respective DRRMO officers, and as usual, we need the cooperation of our constituents, no? Especially kung red alert, may gini early evacuations, especially areas na identified na flood-prone area. So again, we need your cooperation. There's already a call for evacuation. Cooperate lang, and let's continue to pray, no? Na in spite sa prediction, there will be no life loss, no? For every typhoon na nag-aagi sa aton country, especially sa aton province, ang atong ginapangabay na why din madula nakabuhi, no?
Yes.
And we can only do that if we are prepared, no? So let's continue to pray na minimal damage lang. And so hindi pala, kaya unfortunately we're about to celebrate Christmas. That's why I hope na minimal lang din ang damage niya, no? Para hindi man madampen ang spirit of Christmas.
Yes. So why ka Gov Mando, or why ka sang ginpapalaong advisory to the different LGUs nga hindi na lang pagpariporto ng mga empleyado nila, prepare na lang, bulig na lang sa aton dira local disasters kung anong mahimo nila, Gov?
No, that will be the prerogative na sa local government, because they know the situation more, no, than I do. On the part naman of the province, usually naman Friday is really a work from home day. So there's really no need to cancel work, no, for tomorrow, because arat mata work from home, no. But we will have a meeting this morning. We will consider half data today, no? So panuon mo ni sa meeting naton together with Dr. Zeparda Kailian.
Okay. Pero kundi may ara kita ongoing vaccination drive, a national vaccination drive, sige niya gyapon, Gov?
No, that has already been postponed.
Postponed.
Been postponed and moved to December 20, 21, 22. Even the National Task Force on COVID-19, sila mismo naghatag na sa bago na date for Region 6, 7, and 8, the whole of the Visayas, Gintagaan, and other regions, no?
Okay.
So it has already been moved to December 20, 21, and 22.
Sige. Gov, keep us posted whatever nga mga development, and of course advisory for Negrosanon, so that ma-inform naton ang listening public, ang mga pumuloy naton sa Negros Occidental. Halong Gov, salamat gid kag belated happy birthday.
Thank you, Action Art. Yes, media will be our partner here, especially in times of calamities, by giving the right information. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas.
Patuloy kayong nakikinig sa Aksyon Radio. Aksyon Radio.